So, you want to own a rental property? My name is Garrett Wong, owner of Upper Edge Property Management. In this episode, we're going to be discussing best practices when setting up a search with your realtor. So, you know the average rent in your target city, and you're pretty sure you know what neighborhoods you want. You even know if you want a 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom home, or a multiplex, or for a house hack. How in the world are you going to find a property? Well, you could network and try to find off-market deals, and go drop flyers in a target neighborhood to find your own off-market deals. But in my opinion, the best way to find deals, keep your finger on the pulse of the target city, and to do overall less work, is to contact your realtor and get them to set up an MLS search for you. When you have your realtor set up an MLS search for you, he or she will ask you what type of properties you're looking for, what neighborhoods, the price range, number of bedrooms, etc. Using your newfound research from the episode on best neighborhoods to find a rental property, you can give your realtor the MLS areas of these neighborhoods, the minimum number of bedrooms, and an approximate price range. You don't want to be too specific or restrictive with these numbers. In fact, I would actually go a little higher in the search price even if you aren't prepared to purchase a property at that price range. Going a little higher will allow you to see the nicer and higher priced properties, but it will also give you a head start when one of those properties reduces its price after being on the market for a while and suddenly moves into your price range. So even if you don't find anything on the market and are tired of losing out on target properties and bidding wars with the first-time home buyers, having that automatic search going still gives you valuable information. It's telling you the state of the market, how difficult it will be to find that property, and gives you a really good idea of property house prices without too much effort. And that'll do it for this episode. Join us next week where we're going to be discussing vacancy rates and how they affect the rent.